Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, please consider subscribing, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and watching these videos. I don't take it for granted, and guys, I am so happy. Like right now, imagine we are at 615 subscribers. When we resumed back like is it a month, 2 months ago, I'd say 2 months or a month ago, maybe a month and a half, we were at 125 subscribers, and within that short time we've been able to have like 400 plus subscribers. Guys, you guys are amazing. I cannot take this for granted. So right now it's road to 1,000 subscribers. Please, if you know you're watching this and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And as you're watching it, please consider sharing, liking it, and at least leave a comment. I know you have something to say. You must have something to say about this. Do you like it? Even if you don't like it, please let me know. At least I know that there's something I can do about it. And if you like it also, just leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the whole thing. Today we are doing a cleaning video again, and it's different because now it's no longer the living room again or the bathroom or this hallway. We are going to clean out the kitchen. I have like a lot of dirty dishes right there, and I thought I'm not gonna get bored washing them. I need you guys there with me. So as you be able to see my kitchen for the first time, we'll be also be washing the dishes and cleaning up the whole place. Okay, so keep it here, watch until the end. Please just just watch this to the end. Like, it won't cost anything, and then let me know what you think. Okay, so this is how the kitchen is looking. First of all, like, it's a mess. So we have all this to do, and then also the kitchen balcony is not as clean. It's actually really dirty. There are shoes, there's the bike there and all that. So we got all this to do. Just take care with me. Let's try and clean up. I think at least I was able to get this today. It was a set of this cleaning. Even this is one of them. I just use it now, but it's supposed to help us with I feel like they're really good. They are able to absorb water. I've tried it with this and they absorb water really good. I think there's another one here. This one, these two, these two. So first of all, I don't know whether it's maybe one thing I love about this kitchen, I'm gonna do this now before I start cleaning, it's the storage. There's like really big storage. I can't get up there, but that is one. There's two here also. As I'm saying, I'm cleaning up, so even the whatever we have, we need a lot of rearranging the snacks and all that. That's where I put my items here, though some of them are still here. That's where we put our, also the needs arranging here. Big storage, all that is storage. So this is where I put my cups. We have this space down there, we have that space down there, there's that space down there, there's this space here, more space here, but this is where I put the gas. But I also put these bags here, and then there's more space there. So basically that is the space that I have. I don't know whether I think it's good I show you now, because afterwards I'm gonna show you when I've arranged everything, including whatever is in the storage spaces. All right, okay. So guys, I had to use time lapse because it took me a long time to finish this, so just bear with me. You can see the transformation as we clean up, and I had company. My son decided to help me out today, so it's good because this gives him a sense of responsibility. You dirty your plate, you know what it takes to clean it up, and he was a good company. He helped me out. We were making stories as we were doing it, so it was fun and worthwhile. Yep.
wake up, the sun kisses my face, stretching out peace in my sacred space. Mirror talk, I smile with grace. Lashes curled, I'm feeling safe. I paint my strength in shades of gold, blend my fears till they're untold. Lip gloss shining like my soul. Watch me unfold, I glow like Maria, I rise like the dawn. Every layer I lay is a love song. Not hiding, just highlighting all that I am. Flawed and free, I'm God's own land. Oh, I glow, glow like Maria. Steps light on the city floor, peace in my walk, don't need no more. Heart full of prayers I never ignore. Beauty's not skin, it's so much more. Every line a testimony, from my brows to testimony. I don't need to be like anybody, I'm already worthy. I glow like Maria, I rise like the dawn. Every layer I lay is a love song. Not hiding, just highlighting all that I am. Flawed and free, I'm God's own plan. Ooh, I glow, glow like Maria. Under his wings, I find my light. Even in tears, I shine so bright. Setting spray, then take my flight. Made for this life, I walk in might. I glow like Maria, I rise like the dawn. Faith in my eyes, all fear is gone. Each brushstroke tells my story loud. A queen in soft glam, an unshaken crown.